Hey guys, so today I will be showing you my winter hair care routine. So basically this is just a prep because today we are focusing on the scalp, just because right now, ever since I came here, as I've said, I've been dealing with dry scalp and some flakiness, especially on this area right here. So I'm going to be showing you all the DIY that I'm using on my scalp and then the products that I'm using. Alright, so for the oils that I'm using, I am using the jojoba oil and the castor oil. Now I chose these oils together just because this one is thicker and this one is light, so it's actually a great combination to put on the scalp, because I noticed that with castor oil, not only is it good for hair growth, it also has some antioxidants and antibacterial properties. And I also like using the jojoba oil because it's also great for conditioning and moisturizing the scalp. And also for essential oil, I decided to add in some tea tree oil because this is really great to use for the scalp, especially if you're dealing with dandruff or dry scalp. Then I'm going to be using this Shrimura. This actually has Camellia oil, and you can apply this on both your scalp and your hair as well. Okay, so in my little bowl right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour in castor oil, just like that. And then also I'm going to be using some jojoba oil. Just eyeballing everything, but basically it's just 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, and then 3 pumps of the Shrimura. Then just a drop of tea tree oil, just a little bit of it. So basically that's just how much I'm going to use. You don't have to overload your scalp with oils. It's the most important thing here is to apply it directly on your scalp. Now what you can do with this is you could actually warm it up if you want. Make it as a little hot oil on your scalp and then put that on my scalp. Put that on the areas to where I mostly need it. Right here. Now, as I've said, you don't necessarily have to overload your scalp with oils, because that's also not necessary. Just make sure that when you do oil your scalp, the oils actually hit your scalp. So what I'm doing is I'm just massaging my scalp just like this. It's always nice to do a 1 minute or 2 minute scalp massage, just to increase the circulation of the blood flow in your scalp. And also, by the way, the DIY oil mask that I made is also great for hair growth, not only for dry, itchy, and flaky scalp. I know we're all focusing just on this part, but sometimes in this area of our head, it also gets dry there. Okay, now that's done. Since I still have leftover oils right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the rest of it on the bottom part of my hair as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize just the ends of my hair. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and let this stay on my hair for 10 minutes max, and then go ahead and wash it off with my shampoo. Now after that, I'm going to be using my Stella Marie, and as I've said, this contains black pepper, geranium, and lavender. And I like that this shampoo is actually clear, and it's good to use translucent or almost water-based kind of shampoo when it comes to dealing with dry scalp, or if you're dealing with dandruff. I just find that that actually works best for me than the cream ones, because sometimes the cream-based ones or the heavy shampoo ones, if they don't fit your scalp, typically it gives you product buildup and it amplifies dandruff on your scalp. So that's why I go for more of the gel or clear type of shampoo, just like this. I'm actually gonna wash my hair twice. I'm gonna double cleanse my hair because I've oiled my hair. Okay, so the reason why I wash my hair and scalp in the sink is so that I can wash my hair with cold water, which is way better for my scalp right now because I'm dealing with dry and flaky scalp. And washing your hair with cold water not only helps with the circulation of the blood flow in your scalp, which is great for hair growth, but also it is actually healthy for the scalp as well. So I'm gonna get more because I'm actually going to shampoo my hair all over, because I've also oiled the bottom part of my hair, and then rinse it off. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and towel dry my hair and then actually use a blow dryer, but in a cool setting. And then after that, I will show you guys how I apply the oils on my hair as well. Alright you guys, so my hair is not 100% dry. It's about 95% dry. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be using my Kerotin Intensive Hair Growth Drops. I will be putting this on my scalp basically. This is just for me to grow more baby hairs. And what I do like about this is that it doesn't create product buildup or anything. So I like putting that first. And then I go ahead and use my Kerotin Nourishing Oil. Some. And put the palms. And then go ahead and just apply it. Especially on these areas right here to where I would always have dryness. As I've said, no need to overload your scalp with this because you just want your scalp to be nourished, and that is it, because you also don't want your scalp to be oily. And then the rest I'm going to apply on the bottom part of my hair too. So I'm just going to go ahead and let my hair completely dry and then show you guys the full-on results of it tomorrow. Alright you guys, so this is actually the next day and now my hair is completely dry. So what I'm going to be doing with this is I'm just going to apply more oils on the bottom part of my hair, and I'm not so sure if y'all can see, but I don't have those dry patches, I call them patches, of flaky scalp right here. All of it is pretty much cured because the last time when I did not do this oil mask, every single time after I wash my hair, I would immediately have this dry patches right over here, but now it's all gone, so that's really nice. Also, my scalp does not look oily, which is really great. So that's why I really like using my Kerotin on my scalp, just because it doesn't take away the little volume that I still have left on my hair. Right now, I'm taking my Shampoo oil and just 2 pumps, and then I'm gonna put them on the bottom part of my hair and also in the mid. I'm gonna avoid the my bangs because that it becomes very oily fast, so I'm just gonna leave that alone. That's about it. So alright, so that is it you guys. This ends my pre-winter hair care routine. Basically, we were just focusing on the scalp here, how to deal with dry scalp and the DIY, but this is also what I do with the bottom part of my hair. So that is it, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!